Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to notify team on Slack for new Google Ad leads and send WhatsApp message. So here I'm a part of a digital marketing agency, and my agency is running a lot of campaigns on Google Ads. Now through Google Ads we are receiving a lot of leads and we are responsible for following up with all those leads. So here what I want to do is I want to notify my team on Slack that we have received a new lead through Google Ad, and after notifying my team, I automatically want to send a WhatsApp message to my lead. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and for getting all these automatically, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Google Ads, Slack and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, then automatically I will first send a notification message on Slack and I will notify my team. And after notifying my team, I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp to my lead. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can notify team on Slack for new Google Ad leads and send WhatsApp message. So imagine I'm a part of a digital marketing agency that runs various campaigns for clients using Google Ads. Now my team is responsible for following up on leads generated from these campaigns, and to ensure prompt follow up, I want to notify my team on Slack as soon as a new lead comes in. Additionally, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to the lead acknowledging their inquiry and letting them know that someone from my team will contact them shortly. So managing this process manually can lead to delays, especially during busy times when multiple leads might be coming in, and automating the notification and initial contact ensures that my team can respond quickly, improving the chance of converting the lead. So here what I want is that I want to connect Google Ads, Slack, and for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to build this connection between Google Ads, Slack, and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that as I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, then automatically as soon as I'm going to receive that lead, then automatically I will send a notification message on Slack and I will notify my team. And after notifying my team, I'm going to automatically send a message to my lead by using WhatsApp Cloud API. So here for building this connection and for automating this process, I need to create an automation without any coding and programming skills. And for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software. And for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to notify team on Slack for new Google Ad leads and send WhatsApp message. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Google Ads. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So I need to first set up my trigger, and here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So first, for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Ads. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Google Ads here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, A new lead form entry will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Google Ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. So first I need to copy this webhook URL. And as right now, I am not running any live campaign on my Google Ad account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a test campaign and I'm going to get the test lead data in Pabbly Connect. So I'm only going to get the test lead data so that I can show you how to set up this workflow. And if you have any live campaign on your Google Ad account, then it will work the same and you will receive the new lead details that you are going to receive through your campaign on Google Ads in Pabbly Connect. So for this, what I need to do is I need to take you to Google Ads. And here in Google Ads, I have this test campaign and in this, I'm going to create a lead form. So I'm going to create that. And by using this lead form, I'm going to get my lead name. So I'm going to use first name and the last name. I'm going to add the phone number and the email address. And also I'm going to get the city. So here from my lead form, I'm going to get all these details. And as this is a test form and I'm going to generate the test lead, what I need to do is I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect. So when you're going to have a live campaign on your Google Ad account, so you can connect your live lead form and you can get the lead detail whenever you will get a form submission from that lead form in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to scroll down and here I have this option of lead delivery option. So I need to open this and here I have this option of webhook URL. So I'm going to first paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here and now I have to give my key. So here I'm going to give any key name. So my key name here will be Google Ad Leads. And here I have added the required details. And also when you will have the live campaign, you have to follow the same step. Now what I want is that as I've connected this form with Pabbly Connect by using webhook, I have to send the test lead data to Pabbly Connect. So for sending the test data, I'm going to click on this send test data button. And here my test data has been sent successfully. So I have sent the test lead data to Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is a test lead data and here I have the value. So I have the city name that is Mountain View. I have the email address that is test@example.com. I have the random phone number of my lead. Also I have the first name of my lead that is first name and the last name that is last name. So here we can see that I have received this lead detail as a test lead from Google Ads. And also you're going to get your real lead from Google Ads in the same manner. Now as I've received this lead from Google Ads, so what I need to do is I need to first notify my team on Slack with these lead details. And for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my actions tab. So here in my actions tab, I'm going to open this tab and I need to search for my action application. So I want to notify my team on Slack. So I'm going to search for Slack here. So I'm going to select Slack here. And now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send channel message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection and I need to connect with Slack. So I'm going to click here. And now what I need to do is I need to give my token type. So here I can give either user or bot as my token type. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use user as my token type. So I have typed that and I'm going to click on save. Now I need to first select my account and here I select Pabbly Connect as my account. I'm going to scroll down and I need to click on allow to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here. And I have successfully connected Slack with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now I'm going to scroll down and to notify my team, I need to first select my channel. So for the channel, I need to take you to Slack. And here in Slack, I'm using this channel of Google Ads lead. So this is going to be my channel where I have my team and I want to notify my team by sending notification message on this particular channel. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, for selecting my channel, I need to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the channels that I have in my Slack account. And here I'm going to first search for my channel that is Google Ad Leads. So I'm going to select Google Ad Leads as my channel. And now what I need to do is I need to give the message that I want to send as a notification for the new lead. So I'm going to type my message here And in this message, I'm going to add the lead detail like the name of my lead, email, phone number, and the city. So this is going to be my message. And now what I need to do is I need to complete this message. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response of Google Ads and I'm going to add the detail of my lead and I'm going to map that here in this message. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of Google Ads, and here from this response I need to map the name of my lead. So here this is the value of the first name, so I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I'm going to map the email address. I'm going to give a space. I will open this response of Google Ads, and here this is the email address of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the phone number and I'm going to map the city. Now I have mapped all the required details here. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I have completed my message. So this is going to be my message that I want to send on Slack every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ad, and all these details of the lead that I mapped here are going to get replaced with the new lead details as I'm going to receive the new leads through Google Ad. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a message of notification on my Slack channel to notify my team with my Google Ad lead. So to check whether I've sent a message on Slack or not, I'm going to take you to Slack. And here on Slack, we can see I have received this message. So here this message is new lead alert. I have the name, that is first name, last name. Email is test@example.com. I have the random phone number of my lead, and also I have the city, that is Mountain View. And the message ends with please follow up promptly. So here we can see I have successfully sent this notification message on Slack where I have all my team, and with this message I have sent the detail of my lead that I have received through Google Ad. So all the detail of my lead has been sent with this message, and I have notified my team that we have received a new lead through Google Ad. So here I have successfully connected Google Ads with Slack, and now as I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, then I'm sending a notification message on Slack to notify my team. Now here what I want is, I automatically want to send a WhatsApp message to my lead. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And for sending the message on WhatsApp, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add my last action step. And here my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I'm going to click on Add New Connection. And for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So how I'm going to get all these details and how I can set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. For finding all those information and instruction, what you need to do is you need to open this hyperlink by clicking here on Learn More. And with this hyperlink, we will get to Pabbly Forum, and in this we will see all the instruction of how we can connect WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, how we can set up WhatsApp Cloud API account, and how we can generate permanent access token. So you are going to find all those instructions from here, and I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account, so I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now I need my token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So for this, let me take you to WhatsApp Cloud API. And here this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and in this I have my access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to first refresh this access token, as I have not generated the permanent access token. That's why I have refreshed this, and I'm going to copy all these details and I'm going to paste them in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do the same, and I have added the required details in Pabbly Connect, and I have added these details from WhatsApp Cloud API. Now as I have filled all the required details, I need to click on Save. And I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my template by using which I want to send the message to all my leads. Now for the template, what I need to do is I need to first create a new template in WhatsApp Cloud API. And for creating the new template or for selecting the new template, I need to take you to WhatsApp Cloud API first. And for getting to my template, I need to click on this hyperlink by clicking here. And here this will take us to WhatsApp Manager, where we are going to see all the templates that we are going to create in WhatsApp Cloud API. So here for creating a new template, you need to click on this create template button. And after clicking here, you need to follow all the instruction and you need to customize the message that you want to send to your lead. So after customizing the message, what you need to do is you need to take the approval of your template by Meta. And after taking the approval, you will see your templates like this. And when you will see the sign of active, that will mean you have approved your template. So here I'm going to use this template of lead message template. So I'm going to show you this template. And here I'm going to use this template. And in this template, I have this variable of lead name. So here this is my template that says hello lead name. Thank you for showing interest in Easy Trade. So this was the name of my business that I'm promoting on Google Ads. We appreciate you taking your time to reach out and learn more about our product and services. Your inquiry is important to us and we are excited to have the opportunity to assist you. If you have any questions or need any information, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Best regards, Team Easy Trade. So here I'm going to use this template and I want to send this template automatically to my lead that I'm going to receive through Google Ads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now here in this tab of template name, I need to select my template. So I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the templates that I have in my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And I'm going to search for my template that is lead message template. So I'm going to select that. And now I have selected my template and my language code and template ID is default selected. Now what I need to do is I need to give the recipient mobile number or the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to receive the mobile number of my lead or the WhatsApp number of my lead from my Google Ad response. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Google Ads. And here this is the number of my lead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map this. But in my mobile number of my lead, what I'm getting is I'm getting this plus sign. And for sending the message on WhatsApp, I don't need this plus sign. I only want the country code. So here what I need to do is I need to remove this plus sign or split this plus sign from the mobile number. And for that, I need to add one more actions tab between Slack and WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to click on this plus icon button. And for removing the plus sign from the mobile number, I'm going to use text formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to select that. And I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And split text will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect text formatter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I have to give the text to split. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Google Ads. And here I'm going to use the mobile number of my lead to split. So I'm going to select this as my text to split. And I'm going to give my separator. So here I need to give separator by which I can separate or split my text. So I'm going to use plus sign as my separator here. And now I have to give my segment index. And I'm going to use second as my segment index. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see it has given me this result. So in the result, I have the required mobile number of my lead or the WhatsApp number of my lead. Now what I need to do is I need to open this response of WhatsApp Cloud API. And here I'm going to first clear this mobile number that I have mapped here. And I'm going to map the mobile number from my response of text formatter by Pabbly. And I'm going to map the mobile number here. Now what I need to do is I need to give my body field 1. So this body field 1 is my variable that I have in my template. And in my body field 1, I'm going to map the detail that is going to get replaced all the time as I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ad. So I'm going to click here. And in the body field 1, I need to give the lead name. So I'm going to open the response of Google Ads. And here this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map that. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now here I have mapped all the required details, and as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response of a new lead through Google Ad, then automatically all these details are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Also here, as I have received the test lead, I have received the random mobile number or the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I have changed that number with my number so that I can show you if I'm receiving the message on WhatsApp or not. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test to quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a message automatically to my lead on WhatsApp. So to check this, let me open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this message. So I'm going to open this message. and the message says, hello first name, last name. So this was the lead name that I have received through Google Ad. Thank you for showing interest in Easy Trade. This was the name of my business. We appreciate you taking the time to reach out and learn more about our product and services. Your inquiry is important to us and we are excited to have the opportunity to assist you. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Best regards, Team Easy Trade. So here we can see I have received this message, and this was my message that I have in my template in WhatsApp Cloud API, and automatically by using that template I have sent this message on WhatsApp to my lead that I have received through Google Ads. So here I have successfully created this automation, and now as I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, then automatically I'm going to first notify my team on Slack, and after sending the notification message on Slack, I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp to my lead, and I'm going to share this initial message with my lead on WhatsApp. So here I've successfully created this automation between Google Ads, Slack and WhatsApp Cloud API, and I have done this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I've created this automation and this connection without any coding and programming skills, and now I can nurture my leads and I can also notify my team that we have received a new lead through Google Ads. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have created this connection between Google Ads, Slack and WhatsApp Cloud API to automatically notify team on Slack for new Google Ad leads and send WhatsApp message. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Ads, and my trigger event was new lead form entry. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Slack, and my action event was send channel message. Then I have set up my another action step where I have used text formatter by Pabbly to get the mobile number in a particular format. And in the last, I have used WhatsApp Cloud API for sending the template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.